what they learn from Mazen Nakano, I must give it to them, is to use some words that Mazen Nakano do use. Like, but the problem is that they use it wrongly. They use it at the wrong time. Like Mazen Nakano will say Chineke mere mmadụ ebere. Then they always use that. Mazen Nakano normally said that IPOB is unshakable, untouchable. They use that. Mazen Nakano sometimes say that we are whiter and whiter and whiter than snow, that we are uncorruptible, that the structure that IPOB have, we must follow the steps. You must be diligent in what you are doing. They're using that. But when it comes to putting that your quotes into actions, they all disappeared. I will play this guy voice again so that you understand what happened and why 99% of, now I know why in army they have commanders. They must have commanders, because many people that join army are actually, they have brain issue. I'm talking about African people that want to join army to fight. Some of them are not intelligent. Any intelligent man that join army, that are those educated ones. But you see those ones, kai, move, shoot. Those ones are just like village bingos. Kulu, I'm telling you gospel truth. These people, this man you see here, is one of the most foolish human beings I've seen in this year 2024. This guy saying that he's serving Russia. You made a video, and these people that have nothing to offer, that couldn't even defend their identity, put a call to you, push you out to go and make a video to counter somebody that is happy. None of them use their platform to post your picture. Since you are in love with them, none of them promote you in that your Russian, you say you're in one front in Russia. They always use something so nice. Methuselah said that if anytime war, just pay attention, anytime war broke out where he lives in Austria, that he will go straight and join and volunteer. Methuselah was here when Mazakan was organizing ESN then. People were traveling to go and join. People were called. The video of ESN surfaced. If you can recall how many people that you saw in that video, if it counts in thousands. Methuselah did not go to volunteer to serve Biafrans under IPOB that is paying him money. Just understand this. So when they are making this their scamming statement, you can only fall to that if you lost your senses. If your brain cells are intact, there is no way these people will tremble you. Because all you need to do, listen, digest what they said, go and listen to at least one or two of their previous video. Compare it to what you are hearing, and then the answer will be in your hand immediately. It was possible. You don't need any susoya. You don't need any prophet or prophetess to tell you. You understand what they're saying and what they're doing. The more these people talk, the more people hate their mentality. One thing I ask myself is this: why is it that every senseless Igbo man that claimed that they want Biafra, they ended up in IPOB? DOS, I mean, why? Because the same Mazinokan that you guys are listening is what we are listening to. You people rushed, join Mazinokan with media and all that. Watching it, watching it. Every will come out, nothing will happen to you. When the thing is now turning real, you can listen to the video that I played earlier, not in this broadcast, before in the other broadcast we had earlier today or yesterday, because now we're in a new day, where Ikenga was telling you that also now these people, US leaders quit, that if they abandon it, if they dare say that they are going to quit, that he himself will run away. That na hardcore, that is somebody that is not dedicated to do something. So I just want you to follow everything they are saying. No problem with one of your your colleague or another cultist, you targeted when the person is having a phone, you go there and buy, you shoot and run. That's not war. That's not war. War is different. And this man we are seeing here, maybe he's in charge of where they're keeping bullets. In Western world, you have you can see somebody that is treating wounded soldiers. The person will wear army uniform and dress so because we both love protection so much. They can give you helmet even though you are not going anywhere. You are taking care of people at home. As a military man, you are there. Maybe you are working through first aid. You still have gun in case of emergency. You understand that? So it's not as if you are commando. He's dressed like commando, want to intimidate or make Biafran feel that before you know it now, DS will tell you that he's training a lot of their group in the Okok. When ordinary Fulani herdsmen that you people have been training your men to stop them from carrying their cow in the streets of Biafran, half market. Biafran Division Army are busy dealing and engaging real soldier. Nigerian soldier is not cultist. They are real soldier, isn't it? When both of them handshaked, you guys are there. Your own is to do propaganda, giving information intels, thinking that you can because they are doing what you don't want to see at all, at all, at all. Like as I was saying in this video when we started, that somebody put a comment to my platform. He just wrote a very long piece of note. Okay, you know what? I'm going to read that comment. Let me see if I can locate it. Just give me a moment. Just give me a moment. Because he wrote a very long. Where's that comment? I don't want to miss this comment, please. How will I get it now? He put that comment is very, very interesting. I don't know how I will get it that comment because I have a lot of comments, a lot of them. So many of them. The comment says that that I am wrong by that my explanation on their member is wrong. That the guy that I was talking about is right and all that. That why don't we, in his own word, why is it that everybody is using Biafra IPOB? That we can also use our own. That we should go and create our own. Why are we using Biafra IPOB? Then I told him that I think you have a lot of things to say. Why don't you just DM me so that way I can bring you in for a live broadcast. We will spend time together. We discuss. We share ideas together. You are supporting the US. I don't. So let's stay together and see how far we can go about that. He don't want. He refused to write. And maybe he will do, but for now I have not seen any. I have not received anything at all. And I believe maybe he will watch this video as well. Maybe. So, guy, if you are watching this video, if you come across this video, I am still expecting you to come on so that we can talk. Sorry, I can't get this comment here. I have because if I use the phone that will give me the comment is what I'm using now. I can't get it from PC. Because I know if I go to my YouTube studio, I will get it immediately. But I'm using the video now. So let's go back to the program. I'm sorry about it, but I wanted to share because it's a very long piece of comment. The guy was pouring his anger. I just read a few of them. I laughed. I said, okay, I understand your pain. The best thing for me to do with you, I'll just give you that chance so we can be together on a live broadcast and talk. And not only me, Biafrans will hear your own point of view about the whole thing. If it's something that will go down well with them, they will tell. All right. Now, Ambazonia are busy engaging their own enemy, and even some of Cameroonians are now complaining about the silence of their government whenever their people are being fired, especially the army. Now, this is what I want to share with you about this. This video